glad that we didn't live in that house long.
Good morning, beautiful. So this video has been highly requested, so I thought I would do it in sections. So this is my morning routine. Now, keep in mind, my life is not perfect. My life is a little bit messy, but I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek of my daily life. So for the video, it's gonna be a little bit of a little ASMR moments and me coming in talking. So I'm gonna start with my coffee before I get to cleaning because I feel like this is what gets me going. So I'll let you guys enjoy. So now let's get to cleaning. This was left from the night prior. Sometimes we just have busy days and we're like, all right, let's just go to sleep. So I'm just gonna tackle it first thing in the morning so that everything can just start off fresh. Now this sometimes takes me a few hours, so I tend to get up a little bit earlier. This day I got up around like 4:30, almost 5, because I was chilling a little bit in the bed. But I'm just going to clean the whole kitchen and get everything ready for our morning. So whatever I can eat so I don't throw away, I will. It's a really bad habit. Half of these will be pretty much gone by the end of the day, which is amazing and kind of like, aw.
Y'all back here, I'll give you a good deal. Oh, it's definitely been shoved up her pussy. Oh, nice. It's both a bunch of too big. You want to be a preacher, don't you? What's up, guys? Little man, what's up?
Now, time to mop. My least favorite thing to do, but it's so like rewarding once you finish it because the house smells really good and you can walk barefoot. I know it's like a no to walk barefoot, but I can't help it. I love being barefoot. But anyways, I'm just moving everything to our first living room so I can get down to the sweeping and mopping and all of that good stuff. So again, I could be barefoot and Mija también because she is just like her mama. She does not like to wear shoes at all. Boom! I love to do this morning routine at night, but look how good it looks, you guys. Oh, again, life is not perfect, so whenever you can get it and keep it clean, keep it nice, do it, and it's so rewarding. Like, look at it. It just breaks my heart that it's gonna get dirty again. I wish I could just keep it clean like this all day, every day, but it's kind of impossible, sometimes very hard. All right, now it's time to tackle this living room. And well, it's not a living room, right? Because it has our kitchen and our table in there. So what would you guys call this? I'm not sure. So I'm just gonna start removing things and get ready to clean everything down. I am in love with this table, you guys. We haven't had like a place where we can all sit really, so this is my baby. And I love to keep her really nice and clean, and I really hate when the kids like leave their school stuff, and I just gotta make it a habit and just continue to tell them like, hey you guys, like let's keep it clean. And this is me just taking a little moment to reply to some messages and then get right back into mama mode. Also, let me know if you guys just prefer it just to be cleaning like an ASMR moment, or do you guys like me talking? I don't know, you guys let me know because I know everyone has like a preference, so definitely let me know down below so I can do that for you. I'm so proud. I really like the after. It's so beautiful, and I'm just so happy that we have such a beautiful kitchen table that we all can sit at and just like chismear and have dinners, and it means a lot to me. It's not just a kitchen table. All right, now we're gonna go into the office and we're going to get some editing done, replying to emails, replying back to family, friends, and doing what I need to do and scheduling things out for the week. And the kids' school stuff as well. Since they are homeschooled, I have to message the teachers and just a bunch of other stuff. So I spend a good hour and a half in here. Now it's time to wake up the kids. I'm tired. Eli. Time to wake up. Eli. Andrew. Come on, 10 minutes before you go live. It's not really 10 minutes, but that's something that they need to hear to like jump up and get the day started. Say good morning.
Good morning. Well, go.
Noah. It's time to wake up. Come on, you got 10 minutes. Mama, I love you. And then Giovanni is awake. I didn't even have to wake him up. Morning.
Morning.
Ready for school?
No.
Yeah. Morning. And this is me taking a little break because I need to, you guys, or else I'm just gonna crash. So I just take a little me time. Make sure you guys do that as well.
Is it his teacher? He has his teacher texted me.
Yeah, this looks so pretty.
What's that one? Yeah, I had it right here.
Oh.
She always helps me make her eggs.
Elijah, it's the third time I call you. Come on, school. Do you want to be smart? Don't be smart. All right, and I'm gonna make some breakfast. So now going in with some eggs, we are gonna be making some French toast. This is something that my mom used to make us when we were little. So every time I make it always gives me like good warm feelings, and I love that the babies love it too. So just gonna make some of that, going in with some butter and just applying it to the pan. Applying it. I'm always in makeup mode, always talking in makeup mode, but I make a good batch of French toast using 1 loaf of bread. So I know some of you guys are curious like how grocery shopping goes. So if you guys would like to see a video on that, make sure you guys let me know as well. So I did the French toast. We are going to have some sausage. We are going to have some turkey cut up, and then I'm gonna make some eggs with it, you know, because a good breakfast gets the whole day planned out and started, I feel. Like, you know what I mean? It just keeps you full. I'm just gonna show you guys how I make it, get it all ready, get it all situated, and this is what they have for breakfast. So now since everything is done, I'm just gonna get it situated on the plate. Now, some like more egg, some like less like egg, some like sausage, some don't. So I'm just sitting here asking them who wants a sausage, and say me, and then some say no. So yeah, I just situate it and then cut it up in pieces for the baby, and breakfast is served. And that's it. So now we're gonna get to working out. So the working out, right there. Okay, so I am going to getting ready to send out some packages. If you guys want to know how to enter my giveaways, make sure to follow my Instagram. That's where I announce the giveaways and the winners as well. This is one of my makeup bins that I have when I do giveaways, and I send you guys out some stuff. So I have extras here. That's a wrapper. Don't pay attention to that. So I'm going to pack up some giveaways, and then I'm going to send them off. Alrighty, so I will get these packaged and we're gonna get them sent out. Almost forgot to put the Smashbox foundations in here. These ones are discontinued, but it is amazing. I really like it. I don't know why they discontinued them. They're really, really good. So I put both Smashbox foundations in here along with some JCat Beauty foundations as well, which are awesome. So yeah, I can't wait for FAMBAM to get to try these out because they really are good. Gonna do some shopping with my boys. Get a cart, please. Now, you know, I had to go look at the clearance section, the makeup, especially clearance makeup. I feel like is always a steal. Like, look, my favorite foundation, $2, you guys. How? What? How? So I grabbed my shade, and unfortunately there was only one, so I was like, all right, but still. So every time I make a trip to Walmart, Target, wherever, I always check the makeup section and the makeup clearance section, because you got to make the trip worth it, you know.
So he had a massive forehead. I'm talking like massive. My
His hair would be smooth.
no.
Is it like your mom's?
It's so hot. So our morning is now done. We're now going into the afternoon. That will be a separate video because I don't want these videos too long, but we're just taking a break at the park with the kids and enjoying the sun, since Utah weather is so freaking bipolar, you guys. One moment it's snowing, raining, all of it. So whenever we do get some sun, we definitely take advantage of it. I hope you guys enjoyed my morning routine. Please make sure to give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for our afternoon routine. I'll see you guys there. Love you. Bye.
Yeah, she's hecka tugging. Look at her.